very necessary when you are getting a jeans or a trouser. It can be a trouser. Always make sure that you can bend down with it, okay? And when you bend down, your back is not showing, okay? It's not showing. This place has to be covered, okay? Because you don't want to wing to kiss at the bottom. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. Hey guys, what's up? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. If it's your first time tuning to my channel, what are you doing? If you haven't subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit your notification bell. When you don't do that, you are not going to be getting any notification when I have a new video on my channel. Okay, so you can roll with me because I tell you the secret, we roll on this channel. We glow and we roll. You know what I'm saying? Anyway guys, I'm too much. I know I'm too much, because you know why? I'm just feeling myself, okay? I want to be real. Please share the video, very necessary, before I forget, okay? Anyway guys, today I'm going to be coming up to you with, actually is a jeans try on haul, but I got some few top, okay? So I decided to transfer everything to try on haul, but the majority of this video is all about jeans, okay? Because every winter, every year, I always like to buy new jeans, okay? New trouser, okay? Find in the good price, okay? I find perfect trouser. I think I only have one jeans, yeah, one blue jeans, the rest are normal jeans, okay? Normal trouser, jeans, whatever you call it. Anyway guys, if you're interested, you want to see all the stuff I'm going to be showing you today, you know what to do. You know what to do. You know how we do it. You know how we roll. Just grab a cup of prosecco. I love prosecco, and let's keep rolling into this try on haul, okay? Anyway guys, I didn't tell you the name of the company that I got the stuff from. I got the stuff from OVS shop, boutique, whatever you call it, OVS, okay? I'm going to leave the name on the screen as well, description box, okay? To show you this two-piece right here. Actually they are not a set, but I'm the one just combining the two together. Favorite outfit for today try on haul, because you know why? I'm just feeling that's you know, that cuteness, everything, the color, honey, the color is everything. Check this out, like seriously, super. It's a very beautiful crop top. I love it a lot. It's showing a little bit of skin. It's a little bit because trouser is not a high waist trouser, so when I'm going to be wearing it, I'm going to be needing a belt, because when I bend down like this, so you can see my back here, and which I hate a lot. Trouser is, you see, it's not up to my ankle. It's not up to my ankle. Oh. Where the stars are found, it doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. I love this trouser a lot. I love it a lot. I love the color. I love everything. And this trouser right here is a size 36 as well. In UK, size 4. And it has a little bit of space at the back, which is okay. It's not too open. So with my belt, I can use my belt to snug in between my skin, okay? So that, I'm loving the fit. I like the fact that it's a high waist trouser, which is super duper beautiful. I love it a lot, guys. I really love it. I love it, and I love the fact that it has a little bit of details at the side area, okay? About those jeans, What do you guys say? How does it look on me? Please let me know in a comment below. Okay, I'm loving it myself. I'm loving the trouser, and of course I can do my squat. I can always do my squat. Jeans, like seriously, even if I gain 20 pounds, 25 pounds, I'm still going to be entering these jeans. Trust me, it's super duper stretchy. And I love the fact that the back is not open like the other one. Okay, I love it a lot, and it's giving me extra volume right here. Extra volume wear. Okay, very necessary when you are getting a jeans or a trouser. It can be a trouser. Always make sure that you can bend down with it, okay? And when you bend down, your back is not showing, okay? It's not showing. This place has to be covered, okay? Because you don't want to wing to kiss at the bottom. Can you imagine? This jeans is super stretchy that I have to get in the... Let me show you guys. I have to get in size 34, guys. Feels so good on my skin. I love it a lot, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so beautiful. Tell as well, it's not long. Okay, honey, 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 honey. So guys, this is the next jeans. This is a very soft material jeans, super stretchy as well. I really love this trouser. This can be my everyday, you know, my go-to. The fact that you can easily throw it on without any struggle. And I also like the fact that the way the stitching, which is the yellow stitching, is super beautiful. This one is also not really a high waist jeans, but I can always use my belt to snug it in, and which is beautiful, very beautiful color. Word. And you know what I love about this jeans trouser? What? Give it a name, trousers. Why I love these jeans, I'm showing you guys, because they really make my curvy, my shape to be popping. You know what is popping? Popping. This is why I'm really obsessed about these jeans. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. And also ankle, it's not up to my ankles to clothing. Okay, when it comes to item, this is not my color, but the vibe. Can you see what I'm saying? The neck, the vibe, the crop. Oh my word. And the hand is not, it's not long, it's something else. If you're from Nigeria, we have this traditional outfit they call boba. This is what is giving me short hand boba. Short hand boba. Hey, short hand boba. Hey, short hand boba. Hey. The vibe is really giving me a, which I love. It's very beautiful. These jeans. And for the size is size 36 for the jeans. In UK is size 4. So let's just take a moment to achieve, not to achieve, of course, to appreciate these two outfits right here. It's something else. It's really something else. Of course, black is my favorite color. Loving it. And this trouser right here also has a bit of space at the back, but like I said, with my belts, everything is intact, everything is choking in. You are not going to be seeing any skin. Okay, I'm just trying to combine these two pieces together. Of course, it's not how I'm going to wear. I can't wear it like that outside. It's not possible. It's not possible, but for Instagram it's possible. Okay, no. So yeah, it's beautiful and it's super short, guys. It's so short, it's so sweet, it's so cute. And this trouser is a little bit long. It's a little bit long up to my ankle, just a little bit, because I'm raising my leg, is being shorter, but when I drop my leg it's a bit long, and which I like. It's kind of a faded trouser. It's not that super duper black, it's not over black, you know what I mean. So guys, this is the next trouser. I forgot that I have a trouser that has a zipper at the side, and you can also button it up at the side as well. And at the pocket side, normally supposed to be pocket, but there is no pocket, so I like the fact that it has a button. The details is just so beautiful. Super high-waisted. Okay, I think this one is more high-waisted than the other ones I've been trying so far. And this one is also a black stretchy material. Well, when you look really deep into the trouser, it's super beautiful and has that kind of a bit of mercury inside, if that makes sense, that right word. Anyway guys, I love these trousers as well. Everything I'm showing you, I love them. I don't go to shop and buy something just because of trial haul and I don't like it. No, I don't spend my hard earned coin for clothes I don't wear. Okay, covers everything. And the size of this one is also in 36. In UK is also 26. Okay, I don't know why, but guys, the back area snubbed me like hell. And this trouser is super stretchy. There's a lot of space, there's a lot of fabric still going on, but you can tell.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt.
What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be trying the rest two top that is remaining. Okay, and I also got this. I got this black kind of short kimono, and it's a sweater. Okay, it's a crop sweater, and which is so beautiful, basic inner wear. So yeah, and it has a zip at the front. You guys know I love my black color. Okay, oops, it's not closing. So yeah, you can always zip it up, you can always make a little bit of vibe, you know, extra vibe. You can do it like so. You can wear, no, I don't think I'm going to be wearing it like that because the zipper is so cold for my skin, so I'm just going to wear it like that. Of course, you know I love to do a little bit extra of vavavoom, okay, because the top or kimono, what you call it, has a zipper, so it's not really giving me that extra, it's just making everything popping out like so. But this is how I love to wear my top. I love to wear it. It's very beautiful, guys. It's very beautiful. Okay, and it has this kind of ripped, as you can tell, it's ripped a little bit, and it's a very heavy material. It's not looking cheap or feeling cheap. It's a very beautiful material, guys, very beautiful. But this top is just beautiful. Everything is super well made. It's not looking cheap at all. Okay, and the size I got in size medium. Of course, I always go one size up, yeah, in medium. Yeah, so this is another crop top similar to the first one I wore at the beginning of this video. This one is in size extra small. In Austria size is extra small, in UK size also extra small. Why I took extra small, because this one is a bit bigger. The cutting of this one is a bit bigger, why the lilac one is a bit snugging, so that is why I took extra small, because I don't want it to be too open. So when it's too open, you are going to be seeing everything, so I don't need that. That is why I took this size. I love this as well, guys. It's just everything is, I don't know what to say about this. It's nothing different from the other one, just the color, but it's giving me the same vibe like the first one. Guys, this blouse right here carries a lot of potential. Okay, a lot of potential, is a lot of character. This blouse is just something else. I like the fact that it has this kind of stripe. You can really design it how you like. You can tie it tighter, you can tie it looser. But you know my vibe. I like my vibe to be always be loose, okay? So yeah, I'm going to just do a knuckle a little bit, just not a lot. Of course, this I'm going to rock it. This vibe is not so much to do. It's just everything. Of course, a little bit of that, okay? With that, my outfit is not complete. This is me, guys. Let me know what you think about this specific blouse, okay? Let me know what you think. In size medium, and of course it matches my trouser. You can wear it with other things, it doesn't really matter, okay? You can pair it also with a skirt. Of course, you are going to pair with a very sexy, glamorous, luxury high heels. This blouse right here demand a very luxury high heels. No argument. Oh my word, girl, are you for real? Oh. It's not bad. So my beautiful people, that's pretty much it for this try haul. I really have fun. I think one of my best outfits try on haul on this channel. It's my favorite. I really love everything that I got, because you know why I love everything I got. I bought this stuff, this clothing, is not because I want to do a try haul, just because I really want them, because I haven't been for shopping for quite some time now. Sometimes it can be very overwhelming when it comes to shopping. So for the couple of months now, I've not been shopping, I've not been buying clothes, nothing. I've not been buying clothes. Yeah guys, and I guess that's pretty much it for this try haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite and which one looks more better on me. I want to hear from you guys, okay? Thank you so much for watching. No long talking as always. Don't forget to do you, stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, love you, ciao. And don't forget to subscribe, share my video, thumbs up. Let this video get to 100 views, okay? Please, okay? Ciao.